Hello and welcome to the maths class. This is teacher Swati and we are studying simplifying expressions and solving equations. In our previous video, we learned about simplifying expressions using collecting like terms. In this one, we are going to learn about expanding brackets. So let's get started. Now, expanding brackets. Expanding bracket means multiplying out brackets. We are going to multiply the term outside the bracket with whatever is given inside the bracket and open the brackets in the same manner. Here are a few examples given in front of you. Let us see how they are solved. Expand these expressions. The first one given is 3 multiplied by, in bracket, b plus 5. The expression in the bracket is b plus 5, which you have to multiply completely by 3. That means this 3 is to be multiplied by b. So 3 multiplied by b over here, and 3 is to be multiplied by 5 also. So plus 3 multiplied by 5 over here. 3 multiplied by b, you can write it as 3b plus 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So the answer is 3b plus 15. Next, a multiplied by, in bracket, a minus 3. Like the previous one, we are going to multiply a with whole of the term inside the bracket. So a multiplied by a. Open the bracket, write it down over there, a multiplied by a. Next, a also multiplied by 3 minus sign which is there over here is to be put over here also, and a multiplied by 3 over here. A multiplied by a gives you a square. So a square minus a multiplied by 3, that is 3a. So a square minus 3a is your final answer. Now we are going to expand and simplify the expression. An expression is given in front of you which you need to expand and simplify at the same time. The expression says 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3x square minus x multiplied by 6 plus x. The expression is divided into two parts if you observe it carefully. The first part you have to multiply by 4. The first bracket, the expression that is given in the first bracket is to be multiplied by 4, and then the expression in the second bracket is to be multiplied by x. And then whatever we are getting, we are going to simplify it by collecting like terms. So let's get started. 4 multiplied by 2 gives you 8. So 4 multiplied by 2x is equal to 8x. Next, we are going to multiply 4 with the another term in the expression, that is 3x square. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So it gives you 4 multiplied by 3x square is equal to 12x square. Then you have the negative sign which you are going to put it down again over here, and then x multiplied by 6 gives you 6x. Now this minus x multiplied by the x inside the bracket. There is negative sign outside the bracket and a positive inside. Whenever you are opening a bracket which is having a negative sign outside it, you are going to change the signs in the inside of the brackets while opening it. So minus x multiplied by plus x gives you minus x square. This plus sign over here changes to minus, and so we are writing it as minus x square. Now, when we have finally opened all the brackets by multiplying it, we are going to collect the like terms. Now here 8x plus 12x square minus 6x minus x square. So x square are like terms and x are like terms. So as we have seen it earlier, that the terms that are having indices with it are to be written first. So we are taking 12x square minus x square as the first group of like terms, plus 8x minus 6x as the second group of like terms. So 12x square minus x square minus x square. If there is no number, that means there is 1 present over there. So 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So 11x square is the first term of the final answer. And then x, 8x minus 6x, that gives you 2x. That is the next term of the final answer. So the final answer is 11x square plus 2x. Here in front of you, some practice questions are given. Please solve it and write it in your notebooks. Expand and simplify each expression. First one is 5 multiplied by 2w plus 3 minus 6 multiplied by w plus 2. Second one, z multiplied by 2z plus 1 plus z multiplied by 4z plus 5. In both these expressions, you are going to multiply and open the brackets, and then after that you are going to collect the like terms and then solve it and simplify it to get your final answer. Thank you.